Say hello, younger me. Thank you again for joining. In this vlog, today we will be exploring Wild Fork, Frisco, Texas. It's this store that sells meat, seafood, and a couple of other items. I've been seeing it for a while, and I'm driving by, but I finally had the opportunity to go into it today because I was specifically looking for some fish to buy. So, if you are interested, stick around. Let's go see what we can find. Hi. Good. I'm looking for mackerel. Mackerel?
Macaroons?
Mackerel.
What is it?
It's a fish.
Right. Sorry.
You're good. Sorry, I'm vlogging.